scrap piece of lumber, put a towel bar on it, attach a second piece of lumber. This piece of lumber, you're not going to see the back of it, so I would attach it invisibly with an L bracket.
I see.
So a screw here, and a little bracket.
Just right.
And
so
then
you have
turn it
extra
like
reinforcement.
Right, exactly. So,
Oh, that's this rack right here.
yeah, and there it is.
That looks great.
And what it does is it creates all this extra storage place.
Oh, that's so
And,
great.
and if you have really pretty pots and pans, you put the pretty side out. We have
That's
a couple
so
more.
cute.
Let's put some more.
Our hooks. I love that.
I feel like there's a way to do this that they all fit.
Yeah.
Adorable.
And again, you can stain it any
I
color,
love
paint
that.
it any
It's
color.
so cute.
We have a lot of that old, like, rough sawn wood, which looks really cool if that's what you're going for. And if you want a more tailored look, there's...
Iron-on veneer. This stuff is
That's the
magic.
word.
It comes in a roll. You unroll it, cut it to length, put your iron on it on the edge.
Shut up.
And it's, no,
Really?
it's magic. And then
And
it
it
looks
looks like wood.
It looks like solid wood. You can stain it the same color.
No, I love that, though. I like the barn look.